In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove the password in Windows 10. Before we start, a quick note. Only do this on a computer that you own or fully control. Removing your password makes it easier to sign in, but it also makes your device less secure. If other people can access your PC, consider using a simple PIN instead of removing sign-in protection completely. Alright, let's begin. First, make sure you're signed in to the account whose password you want to remove. You need to be on the desktop, not on the lock screen. On your keyboard, press the Windows key and the R key at the same time. This opens a small run window in the bottom left corner of your screen. In that box, type NetPlwiz. That's NETPLWIZ, and then press Enter. This will open the User Accounts window. In the User Accounts window, you'll see a list of user accounts on your computer. Click once on the account that you used to sign in, so it's highlighted. Now look just above that list for an option that says something like, Users must enter a username and password to use this computer. If that box is checked, that means Windows is currently requiring a password every time you sign in. To remove the password prompt, uncheck that box. As soon as you uncheck it, Windows will ask you to confirm your current password. This is important because it proves that you're actually the owner of the account. A new window will pop up asking for your current password. Type it carefully in the password field, and then type it again in the confirm password field to make sure there are no typos. When you're sure it's correct, click OK. You'll be taken back to the User Accounts window. Click OK there as well to save the changes. At this point, your account is set to sign in automatically without asking for a password. To test it, you can restart your computer. When it boots back up, it should go straight to your desktop without stopping at the sign-in screen. If you ever change your mind and want to require a password again, just open the same NetPlwiz window. Check that box again. Click OK and follow the prompts. And that's it. You've successfully removed the password requirement from your Windows 10 account.